let's export the interface. Item DTO. And there we will only accept title and description. And that's it. Save. Let's import this. But it's not automatically there. So what's the problem? Export interface. Okay, now it's there. Nice. Create method exits. Portfolio item, select portfolio item, input data. Data is directly this create portfolio item DTO. But we should also provide the user ID, which is the already imported from environment variable. And the rest will be create portfolio item DTO. Spread it. But we have a problem. Can I parse this as create portfolio item DTO? Yes. This is not important for now, but we can solve this by adding now it's fixed. User ID is undefined. Okay, now we have written this create method for portfolio item, which is reaching to the DB and creates this portfolio item record for us. Okay. Now in our route, we are getting a response as response base and returning it directly. Right? This route is acting as a controller action method. So now, in there we need to call that route. So admin portfolio item create. Method is post. I need to write the we also need to catch the inputs into a use state. Great. I will call this create portfolio item. Data. I guess we also need to add a header here, which is content type. I should be having this type of request in my code somewhere, probably in the main page, in here, right, yes. And how I did that is I'm setting headers for content type as application.json. And body is there. Method is post. I'm awaiting it, but this should be an async function. Also, I should convert this into a JSON. I mean, I should parse this, and I should avoid it too. If I await this function, is it really going to be awaited in this OnClick scope? I'm not sure, but I will see. Alert response dots. Because parsing this as response base. Response dots message. So that should be it, right? That should be it. If we check the Mongo, actually it's not in MongoDB, it's in there, right? Yes. So portfolio public, portfolio item. Okay. Let's first sign in as admin. Go to portfolio. Portfolio item. A little of description. Submit. Nothing happened. I don't understand what's happening. We didn't add API in here. Great. Now it's hits, but unexpected end of JSON input. Unexpected end of JSON input. Okay. We didn't set the this use state first. So let's set the state of this DTO. Let's add this method on change of these inputs. and do on change events. Let's add the same thing for the other inputs. Change events. Let's type it as change events. HTML input elements. Okay. And that's current target dot name. To add current target dot value. If I get the input element like this, and put it like this. Okay, it's result. It's result. It's really result. Now, portfolio. Let's test that first portfolio project. Edit of description. Portfolio item created. Okay. Now check the DB. Postgres. Yes, it's created successfully. We can remove this. User ID is the title text, is there, description text is there. Nice, nice and steady. Okay. There, let's toggle the visibility of the create form. Okay. Now we can move on to. Let's remove this. In the main page, I will also, I will remove that. If I remove the token from there. Also in create portfolio item, if response.success is false, we will dispatch an action and Redux action to set the isAdmin state. isAdmin actions dot set false. Nice. Now test this feature. Blah blah blah. We will submit. No. GWT found in cookies and isAdmin is gone, but I still see the button. Why I still see the button? Because it's not there yet. isAdmin and button gone. Great. It's working perfectly for now. Also, as if response.success dispatch, we will dispatch another Redux state, reducer action onto user action as refresh. So when a portfolio item is created, the user data will be refreshed and we will immediately see the portfolio item in there. Right? Yes, but let's test that too. Logging as admin. And we can see the admin text in here. Got portfolio, other project, and some description. So if I hit submit, this create portfolio item pop-up will be gone and the user data will be refreshed and I immediately see the created portfolio item in there. Let's test. Okay. Great, it's working perfectly. So